There's nothing appetizing about a crybaby in a restaurant. Here at Marcy's Diner in Portland, Maine,
I chose eggs over and corned beef hash.
a crying 21-month-old has provoked an outcry, all because owner Darlene Neugebauer did this.
I turned around, slammed both hands on the counter, then pointed at the child and said, "This has got to stop."
That's not how the toddler's mother remembers it. Tara Carson told WCSH that the owner was
screaming in her face, like, "Shut the hell up!" I think I was just in pure shock because I've never seen behavior like this before.
The two stories diverged in other ways.
After 40 minutes of screaming, I had had enough.
But the mother says the toddler was crying, not screaming, for a little over 10 minutes, not 40. The owner had asked the parents to take the child outside at least once before, but the mom says it was raining. The parents vented their anger on the Marcy's Diner Facebook page. The owner is an absolute lunatic. May karma bite you in the ass. In her F-bomb-laced responses, the owner called the toddler that monster and the beast. The back and forth prompted a deluge of comments, pro and con, though way more seemed to side with the owner. The morning shows chewed over the topic.
And her parent said, "Are you screaming at a child?" "Yes, I am." And she shut up.
So far, the egg seems firmly on the grill rather than on the owner's face. Ginny Mo, CNN.
This has got to stop.
New York.
Wow. Thank you so much.